Now, your ABC 21 First Alert forecast.
And as mentioned, we do have 2 first alert weather days in the forecast this week. Again, we may issue a first alert day for a variety of reasons in the summertime, whether it's because of heavy rain, high winds, storms. In this case, it's the heat. And in fact, our criteria for those days, we issue first alert weather days when we are expecting highs about 95 degrees or higher, or when the heat index gets over 100 degrees. And it's very possible we could actually meet both of these criteria on Tuesday and Wednesday. Those are the days, again, we have issued those first alert days, again, because we are expecting those highs in the low to mid 90s, could even see some upper 90-degree temperatures, and again, that heat index comfortably into the triple digits both of those days, Tuesday and Wednesday. Before we get to that, though, we're also watching the chance for some storms tomorrow night. Now, we expect those to develop to the northwest here and then track somewhere in this area to the south and east. Depending on how much they're able to intensify, we're expecting a bit of a wind threat, could even see again an isolated tornado or two. But that track is really uncertain. We're not sure exactly where it's going to go. It's possible it could move just to our north here, or maybe clip some of our northeastern counties. Again, going to get into this in a little bit more detail here in just a moment here. But that timing expected to take place around 6 tomorrow night up until around midnight. Today, though, again, really a nice end to the day as we've seen some clearing skies. Temperatures right around 80, some calm winds. That humidity may be a little bit lower after the rain moving out here. But that humidity is about to crank back up now as we head into the next few days here. STORMTRACK radar does show those showers and storms that moved through earlier. Again, we did get a little bit of rain here in Fort Wayne. Most of that storm activity off to the south. In fact, we did have a stronger storm move through southern Wells and Adams counties, then moved through Mercer County, Ohio there. It did have a severe thunderstorm warning on it. Didn't really get any damage reports other than some downed trees, but even regular thunderstorms can take down some of those weaker trees. Not a whole lot of shower activity off to the west, so I think we're in for a clearing trend for the most of the night here, meaning just some partly cloudy skies. Then again, our next system farther to the west, a quick moving disturbance that will bring that storm chance for tomorrow night. So here's a look at future track. Again, we will still have that chance for that stray shower or two over the next few hours. I think this is overdoing it a little bit here, but again, overall, I'm expecting a clearing trend with that stray shower, most of us staying dry. Tomorrow, then off to a dry start with partly cloudy conditions for most of the day here. Then we start to see that cloud cover increase a bit by tomorrow night. That's ahead of that line of showers and storms that's expected to develop to our northwest and then push again into our area. Again, there's some wiggle room with where these storms are going to move. This could track farther south, impacting Fort Wayne, even areas farther to the south, or move to the north and miss our area entirely. But again, we're going to keep a close eye on it. And again, do be aware it could carry the risk of having some pretty strong winds with those storms. Temperatures, again, another big story here. Tomorrow is going to be the beginning of that warm-up as we warm to the low 80s by noon and near 90 by the end of the day. Again, those storms could cool us off a little bit. But then Tuesday and Wednesday are when the heat really cranks up. That's when we're expecting that heat to warm to near 90 by noon Tuesday, and then see those highs get again comfortably into the 90s. The heat index well into the triple digits. This is Tuesday. And again, we're in for a repeat of this again on Wednesday. And because of that, we have first alert weather days again issued for Tuesday and Wednesday. Those are days when we expect the weather to really impact your life and health on those 2 days. Again, watching the chance for those storms late Monday as well. Still staying even pretty hot by Thursday as well, a high near 90, and then cooling and getting more comfortable towards the end of the week and next weekend. Next weekend just looking beautiful. Those highs in the low to mid 80s, some lower humidity too. That's kind of the light at the end of the tunnel here, but before long, people are going to be complaining about needing some rain too, farmers and gardeners there.
Understandable, but these past 2 weekends have been beautiful, so I'm going to thank you for that one.
Yeah, we've been on a stretch of having some nice weekend weather last weekend, this weekend, and it looks like next weekend we're in for a three-peat, so let's hope we can keep that trend going.
Yeah, isn't that called like a birdie or a turkey or something like that?
I don't know. Turkey and bowling, right?
Hey!
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Coming up in sports.